Harvest from the conifer trees, our essential oils connect you to the life-giving properties of the rainforest. We are the people of the rainforest and the ocean. We have lived in and stewarded these lands and waters for thousands of years. We carve totem poles, canoes, and masks. We weaved cedar bark and spruce roots from our strong forest trees. We harvested medicine for healing and energizing the spirit and body from the roots and the boughs. Our culture and livelihood is vitally connected to the rainforest and the ocean. The Great Bear Essential Oils are a labor of love, conservation, and community. Bring back the forest into your home. Work in spaces with the fresh, invigorating fragrance of this carefully protected area of Canada. With each purchase, you are not only connecting back to your roots, but you are ensuring sustainable employment and the preservation of our forest and the health of our communities. We are the people of the rainforest and the ocean. Connect today and learn more about our oils.